16. Holiness. One of the most frequently repeated requirements in the Bible is this: Ye shall therefore be holy, for I am holy. Leviticus 11:45. Again and again, God is described as holy, whereas man is fallen and a sinner. All the same, the commandment is repeatedly made: Ye shall be holy. Basic to this requirement is a central premise of Scripture, namely that sin is abnormal. God made all things very good, Genesis 1:31, and sin is a deformation and perversion of God's creation. As Gordon Wenham has summarized it, quote, though sin and disobedience come more easily to men than holiness, Scripture refuses to countenance the idea that holiness is somehow unnatural. It is, in fact, the essence of normality. End quote. Because God made us His way, holiness comes more naturally to man when he forsakes his perversity. Rebellion against God warps our being, destroys our peace, and leads us into troubles and ruin. To believe and obey God is what we were created to do, and anything else warps our being. Holiness is thus not reserved for the clergy, nor for a select few, but it is God's required life for all of us. We are called to be a holy people, and the greatest joys of life come with the responsibilities of holiness. Holiness is not a facade. It must be the character and direction of all our being. It means that we have our priorities in order, our life given to obeying and serving God. The Westminster Catechism begins with a great sentence: Man's chief end is to glorify God and to enjoy Him forever. There is no holiness without that joy.